There's a red line for all this shit. Yeah.
What is all this noise about?
People were going apeshit because Biden won. And we're like in a very democratic district with a lot of people who are really excited, including us, but we live on the street, so it's like, you know, it's not really fun anymore.
Yeah, no, so Route 66 is right behind us, and it's just, you know, businesses and restaurants and everyone, like truck brigades and motorcycle, you know, like it's just complete noise since, when did it start? I noticed it around 10:30.
Well, they announced, like, I literally woke up and checked the news and they were like, AP has declared Biden the president-elect. And that was around, like, yeah, 10:30.
Yeah.
And after that, everyone just came out and started fucking honking their horns.
Yeah, so it's just been horns all day. So, yeah. So we're gonna get away from it right now. We're gonna go trail skating. That's why I got my power slides. Nadya's gonna be on her quad skates. So, oh, I didn't do an intro. I guess I should do that. No. Hey guys, it's Spooky Boots here. But yeah, so we're gonna go trail skating today and have some fun on, what's the name of the trail?
The Bosque Trail. The
Bosque Trail. It's a paved trail, bike path. It's kind of near the zoo, I believe, here in Albuquerque.
Yeah, it just runs along the Rio Grande.
Yeah, so
Rio Grande.
That runs along the Rio Grande, and we're gonna be rollerblading and quad skating along it. So if you guys are into that, stick around.
We're here. We only got a little lost.
Skates. See this? Oh, I want to put my shoes in your car. Which way do you want to go?
We should go this way. I feel like I've not walked this way.
Okay, let's go. So it's much quieter out here. Not as many horns, that's for sure. There's a tree down up here. I'm gonna try to jump onto it. Woo! My favorite thing to get at Sonic?
Yeah.
I don't know. I'm not really a avid eater of Sonic to know their menu.
Like, I think I need some fried food.
Yep. So it looks like the weather's gonna hold up. I don't think we're gonna run into rain. So we've continued down the path past where we've been before. At the zoo is where we stopped last time, so we're continuing further past that and basically just exploring now.
The Botanical Gardens is where we stopped.
Oh, okay. Botanical Gardens.
Please be careful. Oh, jeez. That was ballsy. Did it hurt your ankles a little bit?
A little bit of shock up my whole spine.
We're turning around. And the sun's setting soon, and I couldn't tell before because it's daylight savings a week ago.
Yeah.
So it doesn't feel that late.
All right, it's getting dark, or it's gonna get dark soon, so we're gonna turn around. You ready?
Yep.
The little cracks in the sidewalk are fun.
Yeah, they are.
You can kind of like boost off of them. You almost died? We're back! Alright guys, so that's the video. Thanks for watching. Nothing too exciting, just some trail skating with Nadya and I. If you like the video, give it a like. If you want to see more, subscribe. Yeah, I will see you guys in the next one.